Guys, after overnight, it has been sitting this overnight in the fridge. This is our fruit salad, and this is how it is.
Wait, Mom, you did the video without me?
I did this, yes, yesterday. So this is how it looks like. This is now our fruit salad, and it is ready to serve. Yum. I'll have some. Delicious. Delicious fruit salad.
I have my tablet.
And what's that?
Tablet.
You have your tablet. Oh, good girl.
Bye-bye.
I still have to do my ironing, guys. Still not finished. Hello guys, good morning and happy Thursday to everyone. And today's vlog, I'm gonna make a fruit salad. So I'll show you how I'll make my simple fruit salad. So first, let me show you my ingredients. So these are the ingredients we require for making the fruit salad. This one is the cream. I'm using the cholesterol-free cream. And this is the condensed milk. And any brand will do. And this one, the evaporated milk. And this one is the coconut gel. It comes in the 3 colors. This is the red one, and there is also green and white. I'm using the red one at this time. And this is also the corn, sweet corn. And this is my fruit cocktail. Aside from all these ingredients, you will require also a cheese, cheddar cheese I'm using, and some cubes, some small cuts of fresh fruits. Let's start. We just have to mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Okay, and just put everything here. We need a spatula or a spoon to scrape this out. Now we have to add our evaporated milk, and next to this we have to add our condensed milk, and then we just have to give a good mix. My bird is chirping. Just have to get mix. So I am using this, guys, as you can see. So it will be properly mixed to get all together the ingredients. I think this is perfect. This is done. And now we have to remove the water from this fruit cocktail. So now this one, we don't need the water. I'm gonna throw the water. Sometimes I use the water for sweet and sour dishes, but right now I'm not making sweet and sour, so I'm throwing the water out. And this one as well, this has a water in it. So this one also has to drain the water out. And this is the last one. As well, this one, we have to drain the water. Then, once it's drained, now we have to shift to our fruit salad mixture here. And now the last one is this one, the cocoa jelly. then now we put it here. And now again we have to give a good mix. So now this is my fruit salad, and aside from all these ingredients, I have cut earlier today fresh fruits. You can add on some fresh fruits. I have here, this is a small cut piece of apple, and this is also grapes, and I have something else here. This is the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese and some nuts. You can use any nuts like walnuts, cashew nuts, and even almond will do. And right now I'm only mixing the groundnuts because that's only what I have at the moment. This is the salted peanuts actually. And then just give a good mix. So I think this is well mixed. This is okay now. And now we have to transfer this in a bowl. This is how I make my fruit salad, guys, and this is very quick and easy to make, and this is also a famous dessert in Philippines, and normally we'll have this on in special occasions, especially Christmas or New Year. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this recipe, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next time, bye.